Before computer animation, people used traditional animation, which took a lot of time and required patience. Now, AI software is becoming increasingly popular and can greatly speed up the animation process. This article will take a look at 5 of the best AI software for animators and motion designers. These tools can greatly speed up the animation process. Number 1. DeepMotion. This animation software allows you to easily transform your 2D video into 3D animation. DeepMotion uses AI-powered markerless motion capture and real-time 3D body tracking. It allows the tool to accurately reconstruct the 3-dimensional full-body motion, including face and hand movements. There are many impressive options in DeepMotion. Free plan. Supports many output formats. Works through any browser. Number 2. Radical. Radical is AI-powered 3D animation software. Like DeepMotion, Radical detects and reconstructs 3D human body movements from 2D video content. Radical is continually learning and improving, so the quality of 3D animation created by this software is getting better. There are many impressive options in Radical. Easy to use. Free 14-day trial. Doesn't require sensors, markers, or suits. Number 3. Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-image AI. You can use this tool to create characters, objects, locations, and environments for your animation. Access the Midjourney bot, type a description, and AI will generate the picture you need. Check out the quick start guide to get started with Midjourney. There are many impressive options in Midjourney. High-quality images. Can generate any of your ideas, no matter how crazy they may be. Lets you create 25 images for free. Number 4. Dolly. Dolly, like Midjourney, is the perfect AI tool for finding ideas and getting inspiration. Using your text description, Dolly generates unusual characters, objects, backgrounds, and locations. Dolly is web-based and can be accessed in any browser, so you don't need a Discord account as you do for Midjourney. There are many impressive options in Dolly. Wide range of diverse and creative images. Can edit existing images by adding or removing elements. You can use generated images for commercial purposes. Number 5. Gliostar. Gliostar is an AI-powered video creation tool that can animate mascots through text input. This tool is good for very simple character animation when you want to get a result quickly. All you need to do is to choose a character and type in your message. Gliostar will automatically generate animation in minutes. There are many impressive options in Gliostar. Simple interface. Makes animation in minutes. You can use an animated character as a talking head for a video. We talked about 5 AI software for animators and motion designers that both beginners and professionals can use. We find it beneficial to use these and other AI-based tools as they speed up and simplify the animation process. Also, in our reality, the ability to work with AI software is a must-have, so specialists with this skill are more in demand.